Okay, the next practical, calculating the values of resistance connected in series and connected in parallel. So students, here on the breadboard I have connected two resistors, each of having 34.5 ohms in series. So for series connection I have connected one resistor. So this end to end are not matching, that means this is our series connection. If the two sides of two resistors are connected, then that will be parallel connection. So this is our series connection. So I have connected two wires for easy calculation of value of resistance. So I can show you first in theoretically what will be the value. So here we are having two resistors which are connected in series. So first resistor is 34.5 ohms and second resistor is same value I have taken 34.5 ohms. So R equivalent will be equal to R1 plus R2. So 34.5 plus 34.5, it is approximately coming 34.5 plus 34.5 around 69 ohms. So this is our calculation of two resistors connected in series. The same now we can see on the breadboard. Let us see what will be the value. It is not coming. Let us check. So we have checked the value of these two resistors in series and the value is coming 68.9. So approximately it is 69 ohms. So in this way we have calculated the series connection of two resistors. Parallel में connect करके. Okay, now we will see the same two resistors 34.5 and 34.5 connected in parallel. So here we have connected the two ends together. So this is a parallel connection. So R equivalent will be equal to R1 multiplied by R2 upon R1 plus R2. So it is coming 34.5 into 34.5 divided by 34.5 plus 34.5. So it is coming around 17.25 ohms. So this we have to cross check using our breadboard. So here you can see I have connected two resistors on the same line, that means they are connected in parallel. Okay, so same line they are connected in parallel. So now I will check the value of the final resistance. We can see on the multimeter on the display the value is coming around 17.7. Okay, so what we are giving, we are having theoretically it is 17.25 and on multimeter it is 17.7 ohms. So in this way we can find the value of given resistor